Welcome in vocabulary class note 3. الفواكه والثمار فل fruits. العربية Urdu English. So first word is فستق. It's in Arabic. In Urdu pista. In English pistachio. Second word is لوز. It's in Arabic. In Urdu badam. In English almonds. Third word is jawzun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, akhrot. In English, walnuts. Fourth word is tutun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, shahtut. In English, mulberry. Fifth word is busrun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, kachi khujur. In English, rodents. Sixth word is farawilatun. It's in Arabic. In Urdu, strawberry. In English, strawberry. Like, follow and share.